Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Xpeng GX EV luxury SUV is here and it feels like the future just pulled into your driveway. The moment you see it, the design immediately tells you this is not just another electric SUV trying to follow trends, it is here to lead them. The sleek aerodynamic body, ultra-thin LED lighting, and bold futuristic grille design give it a presence that feels both elegant and powerful at the same time. It looks premium from every angle, with sculpted lines flowing smoothly from the front to the rear, giving the GX an appearance that screams innovation and luxury in one package. Step inside and the cabin feels like a private first-class lounge on wheels. Soft premium materials wrap around every surface, ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors, and the panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, making the space feel huge and airy. The seats are deeply cushioned, heated, ventilated and even offer massage functions, turning every drive into a relaxing experience whether you are commuting in the city or heading out on a long highway journey. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive ultra-wide intelligent display stretching across the dashboard, powered by Xpeng's latest AI-driven operating system. Everything feels smooth, fast, and intuitive with voice commands that actually understand natural speech. You can adjust climate, navigation, music, and vehicle settings just by talking naturally, and the system responds instantly like a personal assistant that lives inside your car. The sound system delivers crystal clear audio that fills the cabin with rich immersive sound, transforming the GX into a moving concert hall whenever you want. But luxury is only half the story because the 2026 GX is also built to perform. Press the accelerator and the dual-motor electric powertrain delivers instant torque that pushes you back into the seat with effortless acceleration. The power delivery feels smooth and silent, making every drive feel refined yet exciting at the same time. The intelligent all-wheel drive system constantly monitors road conditions to give you maximum grip and confidence whether you are driving in the city, on the highway, or exploring off the beaten path. Range anxiety becomes a thing of the past thanks to an advanced high-capacity battery delivering impressive long-distance capability on a single charge. Fast charging technology allows the battery to recharge rapidly, giving you hundreds of kilometers of range in the time it takes to grab a coffee. One of the biggest highlights of the GX is its advanced autonomous driving capability. Equipped with next-generation sensors, cameras, and lidar technology, the vehicle constantly scans its surroundings to assist the driver with intelligent safety and semi-autonomous driving features. Highway driving becomes effortless as the system can handle lane changes, traffic flow, and long-distance cruising while keeping you safe and relaxed. Parking becomes almost magical as the GX can automatically find and park itself even in tight spaces. Every detail of this SUV is designed to make driving easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Storage space is generous and practical, with a large rear cargo area and smart compartments throughout the cabin to keep everything organized. Families will love the spacious rear seats and the quiet cabin that makes long trips peaceful and comfortable. The suspension is tuned to deliver a perfect balance between comfort and control, gliding smoothly over bumps while still feeling stable and confident through corners. Even at higher speeds the cabin remains whisper quiet, reminding you that electric luxury has reached a whole new level. Technology continues to shine with over-the-air updates that constantly improve the vehicle over time, adding new features and enhancing performance without needing a visit to the dealership. The GX feels like a product that keeps evolving, getting smarter and better the longer you own it. This is the kind of innovation that makes you feel like you are driving tomorrow's car today. The exterior lighting animation greets you as you approach and says goodbye when you walk away, creating a connection between driver and machine that feels surprisingly emotional. The 2026 Xpeng GX EV luxury SUV is not just transportation, it is an experience designed to redefine what a modern luxury vehicle should be. It blends performance, comfort, intelligence, and futuristic design into one seamless package that feels years ahead of its time. If the future of driving looks like this, then the future is incredibly exciting. We'll see you next video.